To sign up for Semrush position tracking, start by going to the Semrush website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide your email address and create a password for your account. Fill in the required information and click on the Create Account button. Once you have created your account, you will be taken to the Semrush dashboard. From here, click on the Position Tracking option in the left-hand menu. This will take you to the Position Tracking Setup page, where you will be asked to enter your website domain and the keywords you want to track. Enter your website domain and add the keywords you want to track. You can add up to 100 keywords. You can also set the location and device type for your position tracking. For example, if you want to track your website's position in the United States on a desktop device, select the United States as the location and desktop as the device type. After setting up your position tracking, click on the Start Tracking button. Semrush will then start tracking your website's position for the selected keywords and provide you with detailed reports and analysis. You can view your position tracking reports by clicking on the Position Tracking option in the left-hand menu and selecting the project you just created. In your position tracking reports, you will see a detailed overview of your website's position for each keyword, including the current position, the previous position, and the change in position. You will also see a graph showing the history of your website's position over time. By using Semrush position tracking, you can monitor your website's search engine rankings and make data-driven decisions to improve your search engine optimization. It is a powerful tool that can help you increase your website's visibility and drive more traffic to your site. To get the most out of Semrush position tracking, make sure to track the right keywords, set up regular reporting, and analyze your position tracking data regularly. This will help you stay on top of your search engine rankings and make the necessary adjustments to improve your website's position.